So welcome to this edition of Ask the Expert. I'm Kate Benedict, President of Healthcare Solutions at Flex. Today, we're diving into network optimization with our Senior Vice President of Business Development and Account Management, Patrick Castrava. At Flex, we recognize that medical manufacturers are navigating unprecedented challenges in today's rapidly evolving landscape. Cost pressures, higher margin demands, and rapid pace of technological advancement are compelling you to rethink traditional business and operational models. And that's why we're here today, to assist our customers in defining and executing your network optimization strategy. So let's get started. Patrick, can you share Flex's definition of network optimization and its benefits that can be offered to medical OEMs?
Absolutely, Kate. At Flex, we specialize in network optimization through large transformational partnerships that empower medical OEMs to reassess their in-house production strategies and explore new avenues for optimizing their manufacturing networks. Our primary goal is to help de-risk traditional business and operational models while enhancing efficiencies for our customers. Customers turn to Flex for our cross-industry expertise, end-to-end capabilities with deep vertical integration, and our global footprint, which includes 21 medical manufacturing sites worldwide. Our network optimization solutions enable customers to do many things, to include reducing risk while achieving cost savings and improve margins. They can transfer manufacturing assets off their books by going to a variable versus fixed model. It also allows them to reinvest or redirect resources to focus on their core business functions. They can also decentralize traditional manufacturing models and invest in the future innovation that they need for their products.
Thanks, Patrick. That's a great overview. So by collaborating with Flex, medical manufacturers can effectively adapt to industry challenges, streamline operations, and invest in innovation for sustained growth. So now I'd like to move us to our second question. How can the traditional in-house manufacturing model for OEMs be redefined?
That's a really great question, Kate. Flex is committed to continuously investing in advanced manufacturing capabilities and technologies. This includes automation, robotics, digitization, and simulation and additive manufacturing. We offer three key network optimization options to our customers. The first is direct transfer. This is more of a traditional outsourcing model. It involves relocating production lines or entire manufacturing sites from a customer to a Flex location. This is essentially what we call a lift and shift approach on business. Another one is a Greenfield. In this option, Flex will go out and construct a new factory or retrofit a factory to meet our customer specifications in their preferred location. By doing this, we can really give us a tailored solution to our customer for their product, but also for their end customer needs. And that really delivers the lowest total cost of ownership for them. The third is a manage in place. Here's where we come in and we'll transfer the management of an existing customer factory or facility to a Flex team who will come in, oversee, and optimize the operations for them and their products.
Thanks, Patrick. That's a great overview of those three options. So for our final question, could you share an example of network optimization and the actual results that we delivered to a customer?
Certainly. To reduce risk and enhance efficiency, we assisted a large OEM that specialized in blood glucose meters. And what we did is we consolidated 5 manufacturing lines from different locations that they had in Asia and in Northern Europe to a Flex facility in North America. Previously, these lines were scattered across the OEM's own manufacturing network in different sites and even with different contract manufacturers. Our solution leveraged our production site with deep expertise inside of the diabetes market and glucose meters. And we streamlined the production lines and created significant cost savings and operational efficiencies to the customer that they could go ahead and use in their business model. This is just an example of how we use the direct transfer solution that improved our customers' operations and their margins.
Thanks, Patrick. That's a great overview, and it sounds like great value to our customer. So I'd like to take this time to thank Patrick and to thank the viewers who joined us today. If you'd like to discuss network optimization needs, we invite you to contact us. And we look forward to sharing more insights and examples of how we've helped our customers reimagine their network optimization strategies.